Cleaning windows manually can be time-consuming, risky, and exhausting, especially for high or hard-to-reach glass surfaces. In this video, we are exploring 5 of the best window cleaning robots in 2026 that automate the entire process with smart navigation, strong suction, and advanced cleaning technology. Let's see which models truly stand out. Let's get started. Starting our list is the automatic window washer robot, a powerful cleaning solution designed for modern homes that want effortless glass maintenance. With an impressive suction power of 3,200 Pascal, this robot firmly attaches itself to glass surfaces, ensuring stable and safe operation even on vertical or high-rise windows. One of its key highlights is intelligent path planning. The robot automatically maps the cleaning surface and follows optimized routes to ensure full coverage without missing spots. It offers multiple cleaning patterns, including N route, Z route, and deep cleaning mode, allowing users to select the level of cleaning based on how dirty the surface is. Another advanced feature is ultrasonic atomization technology. This system breaks water into extremely fine particles, helping dissolve stains more effectively and evenly across the glass. This ensures a streak-free finish without manual wiping. Control is also very convenient. The robot supports mobile application control and voice commands, allowing you to start or stop cleaning remotely. This makes it especially useful for busy users who want automation with minimal effort. In terms of safety, it uses a bionic adsorption system that maintains strong grip on glass surfaces. It is designed to handle vertical weight pressure, which adds confidence when cleaning tall windows. It is also versatile in surface compatibility. Beyond standard windows, it can clean mirrors, bathroom glass, tiles, and even marble surfaces. This makes it a multi-purpose cleaning device, rather than just a window cleaner. Overall, this model is a strong entry-level option for users who want smart automation, strong suction, and flexible cleaning modes in one compact device. Next is the App Control Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner, a smart and compact device designed for efficient and controlled window cleaning. With a suction power of 2,600 Pascal, it provides stable adhesion to glass surfaces while effectively removing dust, dirt, and light stains. One of its strongest advantages is the ultra-thin body design. This allows it to reach tight corners and edges that are often missed during manual cleaning. Combined with dual-side cleaning functionality, it ensures both sides of the glass receive thorough attention for a clear and polished finish. The robot is fully app-controlled, giving users the ability to manage cleaning sessions directly from a smartphone. It also features automatic water spray, which helps prevent streaks and improves overall cleaning consistency. It supports multiple cleaning patterns, including N-shaped and Z-shaped routes, allowing users to choose optimized cleaning paths depending on window size and dirt level. This ensures more efficient coverage with fewer passes. Safety is also well considered. The robot includes an anti-fall sensor system that detects edges and prevents accidental drops. In case of a power interruption, the built-in backup battery helps keep the device securely attached to the glass for a limited time. This model is highly versatile and can be used on framed windows, frameless glass, bathroom mirrors, and smooth tiled surfaces. Its combination of smart control, safety systems, and dual cleaning action makes it suitable for everyday household use. Overall, this is a balanced option for users who want smart app control, reliable suction, and practical cleaning performance without complex setup or maintenance. At number 3, we have the Liectroux Window Cleaning Robot, a more advanced and intelligent cleaning system designed for users who want precision and automation. This model stands out due to its dual water spray system, which sprays water in multiple directions to loosen dirt before wiping, resulting in a more effective cleaning process. It uses intelligent laser-based navigation to detect obstacles and edges in real time. This allows it to adapt smoothly to different surfaces such as frameless glass, mirrors, and ceramic tiles without losing stability or coverage. Another important feature is its anti-slip wheel system, which ensures stable movement across vertical surfaces. This helps maintain consistent cleaning paths without drifting or losing grip. The robot also includes a large water tank capacity, allowing it to clean extended glass areas without frequent refilling. Combined with its intelligent spray system, it is capable of handling stubborn stains like dust buildup, watermarks, ink spots, and outdoor residue. Users can choose between multiple cleaning modes, including N pattern, Z pattern, and combine mode, making it flexible for both small and large surfaces. The smart route planning ensures that no section is left uncleaned. Safety is reinforced with a secure rope and buckle system, providing extra protection when working on high-rise windows. This ensures peace of mind during operation. Overall, the Liectroux model is ideal for users who want intelligent navigation, strong cleaning power, and enhanced safety features for both home and high-elevation window cleaning tasks. At number 2, we have the ABIR Wade 8, a highly intelligent window cleaning robot built for precision, automation, and strong performance. It features dual water spray nozzles that distribute water evenly in multiple directions, helping break down dirt and stains efficiently before wiping. One of its standout technologies is the advanced SLAM 4.0 navigation system. This allows the robot to map surfaces in real time and adjust its cleaning path dynamically. It ensures full coverage while avoiding edges and obstacles with high accuracy. The ABIR WD8 can be controlled through a mobile application or remote control, giving users flexible operation options. Whether you are at home or away, you can start, pause, or adjust cleaning modes easily. It offers multiple cleaning modes, including spot cleaning for stubborn areas and automatic memory mode, which allows the robot to return to its starting position after finishing the task. This adds convenience and reduces manual supervision. Safety is another strong focus. The built-in edge detection system helps prevent falls, making it suitable for high-rise windows. It also has strong suction power that maintains secure adhesion during operation. Its ultra-thin design allows it to glide smoothly across glass, mirrors, tiles, and other flat surfaces. The reusable microfiber pads ensure efficient dust removal and streak-free results. Overall, the ABIR WD8 is a powerful combination of smart navigation, strong suction, and user-friendly control, making it a reliable choice for modern automated cleaning. Taking the top position is the RL4228 window cleaning robot, a premium cleaning solution designed for maximum automation, precision, and safety. It features dual roller brush technology that delivers deep and consistent cleaning while protecting the glass surface from scratches. Its automatic water spray system uses multiple nozzles to evenly distribute cleaning solution. Combined with ultrasonic atomization, it produces ultra-fine water particles that effectively dissolve stubborn stains such as rain marks, ink spots, dust buildup, and everyday smudges. The RL4228 uses an advanced artificial intelligence-driven navigation system with laser sensors for precise movement. It can automatically detect edges and obstacles while optimizing its cleaning path to ensure full surface coverage without missing areas. Users can control the device through a smart application, allowing access to multiple cleaning modes such as N pattern, Z pattern, edge cleaning, and targeted spot cleaning. Voice notifications also keep users informed during operation. One of its strongest features is its powerful suction system, providing a firm grip on glass surfaces even during vertical or high-altitude cleaning. This makes it highly reliable for large windows and frameless installations. In case of power interruption, the robot includes a backup safety system that keeps it attached to the surface for a short duration, adding an extra layer of protection. Overall, the RL4228 stands out as the most complete and advanced window cleaning robot in this list, combining smart automation, strong cleaning performance, and dependable safety features for effortless home maintenance. That concludes our list of the 5 best window cleaning robots in 2026. Each model offers different strengths, from basic automation to advanced AI navigation and deep cleaning performance. If this video helped you choose the right option, make sure to subscribe for more detailed tech comparisons and guides.